Are you looking for the best donut pans in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best donut pans that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chefast Nonstick Donut Pan Combo Kit. This product from Chefast has multiple benefits, the most outstanding being that it has different cavity sizes that allow you to get donuts of different sizes. It's been in the market since September of 2017 and received many praises from those who enjoy baking. The set has a large and mini donut pan, 5 pastry bags, silicone spatula, and recipes brochure with tips on how to get the best results. If you are looking for a gift to a donut lover, this set has everything they might need. The classic size pan has 9 holes, each with a diameter of 3.15 inches. The mini donut variation has 12 holes, each measuring 1.85 inches. Moving on at number 4. We have the Bellemain Nonstick Donut Pan. This premium donut pan from Bellemain is made from nonstick steel that is food rated. This type of material is highly durable and guarantees you years of service from this item. The manufacturer warrants that the steel used to design this model will not warp or bend when exposed to oven heat, which makes even more versatile of a cooking tool. Unlike some silicone pans, the materials used to make this model are safe and reliable. This pan cooks donuts evenly, and they are healthier than those that are deep-fried in oil. Buying it, you receive 2 pans with a total of 12 cavities. The overall weight of the set is 1.65 pounds, while the measurements are 12.5 by 8.5 inches. This product is among the best nonstick pans that you will find with classic shape and size for your donuts. At number 3, we have the 3-pack silicone donut baking pan of 100% nonstick silicone. These colorful donut pans come in a set of 3. The colors are warm and bright, while the silicone material used to create these trays is resilient. They're quite close to professional cookware and can be rated among the best donut pans made without Teflon. They're also made of 100% food-grade silicone. It's been vetted, and it does not contain chemicals and impurities that are toxic for consumption. Cleaning these donut pans is stress-free, and they're dishwasher safe. If you have any favorite microwave recipes, you can use these trays for baking your delights since these trays are safe to use in the appliance. It's freezer-friendly and can accommodate maximum heat of 450 Fahrenheit. The silicone used is very flexible, and this makes cleaning, storage, and the release of donuts effortless. At number 2, we have the HEHALI Silicone Donut Pan. This HEHALI Silicone Donut Pan is a 2-piece set in orange and pink that is both functional and aesthetic. It's a premium model that is made of 100% food-grade silicone that has been approved by the FDA. The material used is microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, and it can withstand temperatures up to 450 Fahrenheit, which allows experimenting, using this pan not only for donuts. The manufacturer has brought together durable materials to warrant the lifetime service of this set. This silicone donut pan is a fit for any oven in your home. It's easy to use, and all you have to do is follow the baking instructions to get the desired results. The nonstick feature makes this set easy to clean and maintain. Cleaning can be done using a dishwasher or warm soapy water. And finally at number 1, we have the Wilton Nonstick Donut Baking Pans. To get the best donuts, your recipe must be up to date, and this steel model from Wilton comes with one attached that you can modify to fit your taste. This is a 2-piece set that gives you a dozen donuts if you use both pans at once. It's made of steel, which means that the model is resilient and will be with you for a long time. A non-stick coating is used to finish this donut pan for easy release and maintenance. It's dishwasher safe, but it's recommended to clean this set by using warm soapy water. It's advised that you wash it before the first use and subsequently after every use. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.